Tips on how to save effectively in banks. Many of us think that putting our money in the bank is a secure and wise way of saving. Yes, this is true if we are wise in dealing with banks. Banks are not charitable institutions. These are profit-driven entities which charge different kinds of fees and do all sorts of schemes to take away some of your money. The savings that you can get in being wise and making bank transactions can add up after some time and let you use your money where you want to. Here are some tips on how to effectively save money in the bank. Mind the opportunity cost. Think about the factors that are affecting your money in the bank. Are there fees that the bank is asking you to pay for keeping and using your own money? How much? Are they requiring a minimum balance for holding an account? You might be interested in other alternatives that are available out there, waiting for your investment. You should always factor in the opportunities that you are deprived of because you are putting your money in the bank. You might also be interested in taking a look into the terms of other banks. Probably the bank that can best suit your needs is out there waiting for you. Book balancing. Always bear in mind to have your checkbooks balanced at the end of every month. Issuing bounced checks can cost you a lot. The average fee for issuing checks with insufficient funds is $20. If you are not aware of the problem, you can easily issue several bounced checks in a certain period of time, and this is very costly indeed. Tame the ATM machines. The best practice in using ATM machines is to avoid using ATM machines of other banks. This way, you will save on ATM fees. However, it wouldn't hurt if you also knew the ATM machines of other banks which do not charge fees. EBanking. With the advent of globalization, everything is becoming electronic. This is also true in the banking world, and technology is quickly becoming a benchmark of competition. EBanking can save you some money from transportation costs, and more importantly, it will save you time. The time you spend waiting at the bank can be used for some other productive activities. Truly, putting your money in the bank is a wise way of saving money, but only if you are wise enough to prevent the bank from chipping away your wealth. In saving, it is not only the benefits such as annual returns which you should consider, you should always think about the costs involved in the process. Click below for more information.